super. Hi and welcome to the blanket. Me and Dimple are having a bit of a picnic today because we have finished our July project. This is the Summer Stitch Story blanket and we're really, really proud of it. There are so many different colours, so many different squares to it. It's just sunshine and love in every stitch. It has been some love in every stitch as well. Yeah, Lisa's worked really hard on this. It's a brilliant, brilliant design. You're going to love it as much as we do. I know. Tell us what we're going to get in this bumper mega deal we've got going out. Right then. This is our biggest kit yet. So you're going to get your 4.5mm hook as you would normally get your Prim ergonomic hook. So these are brilliant hooks. If you've not used them, they are really lovely to use. I can't use anything else now. Yeah, they're fab. So yeah, we've got 4.5 in this one. Yes. Yeah. You're going to get your Emma Ball stitch markers. You'll get one of these lovely stitch markers to add to your collection. These ones are super cute and they really go well with this. Oh, we've got gnomes on these ones. Oh, gardening gnomes no less. Right, they're brilliant. I like them. And you're going to get loads and loads of wool. So it's the Stylecraft Special DK, which is lovely to crochet with. So you're going to get 2 of each colour and 4 of the white. So it means you get this super big white border. What have we got? We've got shrimp. Yeah, it's lovely as a shrimp. This is my favourite. This is the citron. That's how we started off with that one, didn't we? Yeah, everything. That was the first colour, and we based everything around that. We've got apple. Apple's gorgeous. And then turquoise. So we've got 2 each of the colours, and then you get 4 balls of the white. 4 of the white, and then you get your full colour pattern. As usual, it's illustrated. It's got everything you need. And then there's the QR code at the top, which will take you to the videos of Lisa. And then at the back on a spare page, so I've done you a graph on there to make your own designs up if you want to, and also some terminology transfers as well, and some stitches. So that comes in the box as well. Tell you what the graph will be really useful for actually. There's quite a bit of wool left over. So if you wanted to do an extra row to your blanket, or you wanted to make it slightly bigger, you can plan out on the back which extra panels you'd like to make. Also, I think I'm sat on it, there's one where there's a bee and a flower. I'll show you how to make that, so maybe you want to draw your own filet crochet. Well, that's a good idea. Blank as well. Yeah. But yeah, going on to the blanket, we went a little bit different because you said you wanted squares. Yes. But then I said I hate joining squares. Well, I've ended up joining squares, but join as you go. So you actually start with a square, and then you actually join it even, and we put an edge on it, and then you join your next square, and then you put an edge on it, and you join your next square. So you make 4 squares, which creates a panel, and then you edge the panel, then you border the panel, and you'll end up with these strips with bits of borders on, and then I teach you how to put this, I think it's a yarn over slip stitch I've used on here. And then unfortunately, there is going to be a little bit of sewing. But I'm not one for sewing, but I learned a brand new technique which gives us this great ridged edge effect, which matches the stitches. It's brilliant. Oh, hello you. Hello, sorry, through the ball. Ready, go. There you go. Go Rose, put Rose on as well. So each square, we've gone a bit of corner to corner. We've got Celtic weave, we've got some tulips, we've got some almond stitches, we've got this flag stitches here, we've got these great textured bobbles. Sorry, the dog wants to come on. Come and say hello to everybody. What's this? No, he's not. And then if you wanted to, because there's so much wool, you could actually make an extra panel. Yeah, or you can add that on. Cushion, match would be really nice. Loads of different things. I've had loads of different ideas. I think I'm going to use this sort of like for a shawl. Oh yes, that'd be brilliant. I've made cushions with that one before as well. So I tell you what, one of the things when we first started designing this, and I said to Lisa, I really love quilting and sampler blankets, and that's where this has come out of. We wanted a sampler blanket where you learned different stitches and you had samples of each one. Yeah. So the stitch story with all your different samples of stitches that you learn, and it's stunning. I think Lisa's design is amazing. No, I appreciate that. Yeah, it's lovely. It was a bit like at times. You're not supposed to say that. I did throw it in the cupboard a few times because I was it's just got a bit. I'm on the right track. But then the girls were showing it to last week at the garden set, loved it. So just the I like a bit of praise. I'm a show off. Yeah. No, it is absolutely stunning.
It's so lovely. You just want to.
I just want you to learn different stuff and use those techniques. And with the videos, you can jump to that square section and just watch that one and make something with that.
Yeah.
And help
That's
you
the
decide.
other actually thing with the videos is there's no adverts. You have just got Lisa explaining what to do, so you can pause it, stop it. You've not got videos interrupting it, so it is really good like that.
Great. One more thing we've got to tell them.
Oh yes,
You can tell them this one. Oh.
The next 10 boxes, or before the 23rd of June, if you place an order for this blanket, for this kit, and join the subscription, I will rebate £5 to you as a thank you. So there's £5 off the first subscription, but it's only for 10 blankets.
10 boxes.
Yeah, we can only do 10.
Yeah, we only can do 10. Yeah, just our summer, because we're going on our summer holidays soon as well, so we wanted to give you a bit of summer love, didn't we?
Yeah.
Right, let's celebrate our finish
Absolutely.
of our summer stitch story blanket.
Yeah.
A bit for you,
Thank you very much.
and a bit for me.
Oh, Rue, it's not
And
for you.
Rue can't have any.
Yeah.
And cheers.
Cheers.
And thank you for joining us.